You ever seen an image that you love but can't save them because when you try to save those images, it shows either WebP format or the all image format. So it doesn't allow you to save it either with JPEG or PNG. Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to be solving that particular problem for you. I'm going to show you a Chrome extension that you could actually use both on your Vivaldi browser or different browsers that enables you to save image on JPEG and different other format, and it's 100% free. And that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. If you're just coming across the channel for the first time, smash that red subscribe button below and let's dive into the video. The name of this tool is called Save Image as Type. It enables you to save your image. Even the default ones that are set on WebP, you can be able to save it as PNG or JPEG instead of you downloading the WebP image and then going back online to do the conversion yourself. So let's go ahead and install it and put this bad boy to a test. So you click on add here. Our extension has successfully been added. So let me just go ahead and open Chrome browser. Just pop up any image at all, just like this one here. Right click on it. And when I scroll down, you can see save as image type right here on the screen. See? So it gives me to save the image as JPEG, PNG, or WebP, which is the default format that the image was set on. And this is how this tool works. It's really, really awesome and it's 100% free. Let me know what you think about it. Are you going to be using this particular tool? Thank you very much and see you on the next one.